We kick off this week with a special announcement from Rolls-Royce. The storied automaker's forefather, Charles Rolls, envisioned the electrification of automobiles over 120 years ago. And now, the brand, synonymous with luxury and automotive excellence, is all set to introduce its first ever electric vehicle within this decade. The British car maker will be making a special announcement regarding the electric car on 29th of September, while the launch will take place before 2030. Prior to the brand being founded, its forefathers, Charles Rolls and Sir Henry Royce, individually worked on electric mobility. Characteristics like silent operation, instant torque, tremendous power, and the absence of exhaust fumes were seen as ideal for luxury motor cars. However, they decided to make cars with internal combustion engines given the infrastructure wasn't ready for electric vehicles back then. That's about to change as the company embarks on a new journey towards its first electric vehicle that will meet Rolls-Royce's technical, aesthetic, and performance standards. Toyota Kirloskar Motor has discontinued the Yaris sedan in India. The Japanese car maker has ceased production of the compact sedan effective from 27th of September 2021. Toyota says the move is part of the company's new product strategy, under which the automaker plans to launch new models in India in 2022. The car maker will continue to offer after-sales support to existing customers through its dealer service outlets. Additionally, the company will continue to offer Toyota genuine spare parts for at least the next 10 years. Although sudden, the news is hardly surprising considering Toyota is expecting to bring a new compact sedan in this place. It will be a rebadged version of the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Toyota and Suzuki have a partnership for sharing platforms and products, which has already brought the Glanza and Urban Cruiser to the Toyota portfolio. A timeline for the launch of the rebadged Ciaz is yet to be announced. Diesel prices on Monday increased by up to 26 paise across the country, while petrol rates remained unchanged for the 22nd consecutive day. Diesel rates increased for the second consecutive day and 3 times in the last 4 days, increasing the retail price by 70 paise per litre within September 2021. As per the notification from the country's leading oil retailer Indian Oil, diesel now retails at 89 rupees and 32 paise per litre in Delhi after seeing a hike of 25 paise. Petrol prices on the other hand remain steady at 101 rupees and 19 paise per litre in the national capital. In Mumbai, diesel rates hiked by 26 paise to 96 rupees and 94 paise per litre, while buyers in Kolkata will now have to pay 92 rupees and 42 paise per litre for diesel.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.